This video is about interior and exterior angles in triangles. It's made for about an 8th grade level. First, let's talk about what each type of angle is. Interior angles, notice the word begins with in. Those are the angles inside the triangle. So there's 1, 2, 3 interior angles. Exterior angles are those outside the triangle. And notice this triangle looks a little weird. What I did is I extended the lines, but only one way. That's how you find the exterior angles. And the exterior angles are the ones that are not 180 degrees. They're the ones that are not a straight line. So our exterior angle are here, here, and here in this triangle. Now I'm sure that you've heard that interior angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees. How can we prove that? Okay, I have my 3 angles here, and with the magic of my computer, I'm going to line them up on this line down here to show that they make a straight line or 180 degrees. Here's 1, 2 angles, and this one, just have to rotate. 3 angles. Notice how it makes a straight line? That's 180 degrees, so they definitely do. This triangle, same thing, even though it's a right triangle and it looks a little different. 1, 2, flip this one, 3, same thing, that makes a straight line, 180 degrees. If we're given 2 angle measurements in a triangle, we should be able to find the missing angle. So far in this triangle we have 63 degrees and we have 58 degrees. When you add those up, you should get 121 degrees. So what can we do to that to find the missing angle? We know that the triangle adds up to 180. So if we do 180 and subtract the 121 we already have, we should get that missing angle. And you should find that that is 59. So this angle right here would be 59 degrees. In our other triangle, we only have one number, 42, but we also have another angle measurement. This bottom right corner has a box. Remember, that means 90 degrees. That's a right angle. So we have 90 degrees and 42 in this triangle so far, which is 132 degrees. Let's do the same thing. We're going to subtract that from 180, the total number of degrees, and we should get that this missing angle equals 48 degrees. That's how you can find any missing angle in any type of triangle. Now let's talk about exterior angles again. How many degrees did they add up to? You might not know this yet. I did the same thing as my interior angles. I'm going to pull them away. There's 1, 2, and 3. Notice how it goes around completely in a circle? And remember, a full circle is 360 degrees. So when we add up those exterior angles, it should add up to 360 degrees. Now we can find missing exterior angles almost the same way as we did with the interior. Let's add up the ones we have. So 110 and 126 should give us 236 degrees. But we're not going to subtract it from 180 this time. Remember, the exterior angles add up to 360, so we are going to subtract that from 360 degrees. When you do that, you should get 124 degrees. Remember, this isn't going inside the triangle, this is an exterior angle. So our 124 is going to go right here. Let's do the same thing with our second triangle. Notice these triangles don't look exactly the same. This one looks more like an equilateral triangle, while this one's isosceles, but this works for any type of triangle. So let's add up the 2 angles we have, 100 and 118, which should give us 218 degrees. And remember, we're finding exterior angles, the ones outside, so we are going to subtract that from 360. When you do that, you should find that this missing angle, this outside angle, is 142 degrees. Perfect. And you can always check yourself by adding up the outside angles. This one, 110 plus 126 plus 124, does that equal 360? And this one, 142 plus 100 plus 118, that should also equal 360. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you've learned a little bit about interior and exterior angles and what's so awesome about them.